Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my video. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. Today I have taken a JEE main question and is also asked in CAT examination. It is based on permutations and combinations. Find the number of ways in which four squares can be chosen at random on a chessboard such that they lie on the diagonal line. Options are given to 140, 182, 280 and 364. Of course, this figure will not be given in the examination or make you understand. I have taken this book. So, to know about these diagonals, there are 15 diagonals. Chessboard is 18 to 80, 18 to 80, 64 squares, we know. And about the diagonal, the main diagonal is from top left to bottom right. That means in this way, this is one diagonal, second diagonal, third diagonal, fourth diagonal, diagonal fifth, diagonal sixth, diagonal seventh, diagonal eighth, then again from here another 7. So there will be 15 diagonals, 15 main diagonals. Main diagonals are from left of top to bottom right, and opposite of it, these are your anti-diagonals. So what are the length of diagonals? Length of diagonals is, this is 1, this is 2 units, this is 3 units, so on. So length of the diagonals ranges from 1 to 8. So what will be the diagonal lengths? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again decreases 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1 units. This thing is clear now. Next, the question is find the number of ways in which four squares can be chosen. For four squares, for at least four squares, we need the length as from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So we have to take the diagonal length to 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number of squares will be 4 plus 5 combination 4 plus 6 combination 4 plus 7 combination 4 again plus 8 combination 4, 9 plus 9, it will be 7 plus 6 combination 4 plus 5 combination 4 plus 4 combination 4. Now it is easy for calculation. 4 combination 4 is 1. C n is 1. 5 C 4. N combination n minus 1 is 5. 6 combination 4 you will calculate it to 15. Then 7 combination 4 equals to your 35. 8 combination 4 is 70. And 7 combination 4 is double here, so 35 again. 6C4, it will be 15 again. 5C4 is 5 again. So calculation part is very easy. So total is 182. So total squares on two diagonals will be double of it. One 80 multiplied 2, that will be 384. So you have to find which one is the answer. 4 is the answer. Watching you for your support.